What's up everybody? Today we have a quick tutorial for you, and this is essentially how to turn off or restart your Garmin Instinct watch. Now for most of us, we won't really do this often, but there are some times that we will. Most importantly, that would be if you have any issues with your watch, whether it be syncing or things just not working correctly. It's a good idea to give it a restart as a first sign of troubleshooting. And the other is maybe you're not going to be using your watch for a while, so you just want to go ahead and turn that off and save the battery life. All right, let's jump into this one. To start, you're going to want to hold the control button on the top left until you see a circular menu show up. You're then going to look for the power icon, the circle with the vertical line in it, and that's going to be the one that we want to select. The option that you're going to end up selecting is the one that is highlighted in the circular display on the Garmin Instinct watch. If the power icon is not your current option, you can use the menu button to rotate your menu clockwise, or you can use the ABC button on the bottom left to rotate it counterclockwise. Either way, it should be able to get you there. Once it's in that top right circular display, you're going to go ahead and hit the GPS button on the top right hand side. And from there, it's going to go through the shutdown process. Once the screen is off, you've successfully turned off your watch. To get the watch started back up, you're going to go ahead and hit that control button on the top left-hand side. You're going to hold it for a couple seconds, and then you're going to wait for the Garmin logo to show up. Once it's done that, you're going to wait a few more seconds, and your watch will be up and running. This was a quick one for us today on the Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And also, if you find these videos helpful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below as well, so I know you like what I'm doing and I can keep bringing this content to you. Hey, I hope you have a great day, and maybe I'll see you on the trail.